To respond to the global climate goals of the Paris Agreement, China has committed to peak carbon emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. Regarding the HVAC sector, the National Development and Reform Commission introduced the Green and Efficient Cooling Action Plan in 2019, proposing 3 major optimization goals: improve the cooling efficiency of large public buildings by 30%, enhance overall cooling energy efficiency by over 25%, increase the market share of green and efficient cooling products to 40%. Currently, in central air conditioning systems, 60% of equipment lacks effective monitoring methods. 35% of equipment relies on traditional BAS, building automation systems. Only 5% use cloud-based intelligent systems. 80% of traditional control systems are inefficient, causing 30% to 50% energy waste. Facing current opportunities and challenges, EK has independently developed a set of smart energy management optimization cloud platform, which includes AI intelligent algorithm, intelligent control, digital twin, IoT, and other multidimensional technology modules. This platform deeply integrates with central air conditioning and energy use scenarios. Our 2 core values are digital and intelligent energy-saving efficiency and digital and intelligent operations management, aiming to comprehensively and effectively solve pain points and difficulties in energy management. In the ever-changing, non-linear, high-inertia, and multi-parameter coupled complex system of central air conditioning, accurately switching devices and setting parameters is a common issue in the industry. Take operator Mike for example. His daily work is to regularly switch on and off the central air conditioning system and adjust the operating parameters based on his many years of experience. However, this traditional method faces many challenges. Due to constantly changing terminal load demands, experience-based control cannot accurately match cooling capacity to demand, resulting in long-term inefficient operation and up to 20% energy waste. This method may also shorten equipment lifespan, increasing maintenance costs. The EK AI IoT system monitors equipment operation data and energy efficiency levels in real time and uses AI intelligent dispatch algorithms to predict future load demands. The system can dynamically adjust operating combinations and accurately achieve predictive loading and unloading. This approach solves the issues of unreasonable equipment switching times and operating combinations, improving overall energy efficiency and providing customers with 5% to 15% energy savings. Additionally, EK AI IoT continuously seeks optimization points in precise control of operating parameters to achieve greater energy savings. By comprehensively monitoring outdoor weather, terminal load, and equipment operating conditions, EK AI IoT breaks down information silos using big data and AI technology to build accurate equipment mechanism models and deeply analyze equipment characteristics, building load characteristics, and environmental parameters. On the chilled water side, EK AI IoT performs quantitative and qualitative analysis of load demands based on specific terminal environmental control parameters, approaching the set values of chilled water side parameters using equipment energy efficiency mechanism models and thermal inertia principles. On the cooling water side, EK AI IoT uses AI clustering algorithms and real-time operating data to continuously update the typical condition matrix of the cooling system. By building AI energy consumption models for equipment and combining equipment constraints and expert rules, it heuristically optimizes key target parameters. These measures enable EK AI IoT to achieve optimal parameter control for air conditioning systems under various changing conditions, effectively improving overall system operating efficiency and providing customers with 15% to 25% energy savings. It is well known that most central systems suffer from severe information silos, and system operating conditions cannot be detected in a timely manner. Mike often needs to go to the machine room to check the equipment and obtain the necessary operating data. At the same time, he often finds system failures when he receives user complaints. This delayed response leads to problem accumulation increasing fault handling time and complexity, posing significant challenges to overall operations. To address these issues, AI IoT uses AI intelligent algorithms for predictive maintenance, providing early warnings of equipment faults and system energy efficiency declines, ensuring healthy and stable system operation. AI IoT also offers 3D digital twin real-time monitoring of application scenarios and allows customers to view system and equipment operating conditions anytime, anywhere via mobile devices. Customers can receive comprehensive system and equipment alarm notifications in the first instance. Additionally, AI IoT regularly generates professional technical reports, helping customers identify potential issues and providing professional and reasonable suggestions, offering comprehensive protection for your system's more energy efficient, high efficiency, and reliable operation. AI IoT Smart Cloud System is the key tool for continuous energy savings and efficient operations of central air conditioning and a powerful support for responding to dual carbon policies. Act now and easily achieve 20% to 50% energy savings and reduce maintenance labor costs by over 50%. EK Air Conditioning, we help you go green.